So when it comes to a live launch, right, or when it comes to Ashes of Creation in a live environment, guild leaders, I think guilds in general have like almost a responsibility
they do
to adhere to not only their people but also to the server, right? There's because again, just like Game of Thrones, you need kind of alliances, you know, to work with other biomes. We have materials, economy is going to be a huge thing. In your opinion, Lineker, can a guild be so like, if everybody's on their shit list, right? Can they survive? Like, can a guild like that, even a really big one, like, can you really have like a target like on their back, like when everybody's
absolutely
that target?
not. Enveus is not going to survive for very long, because if you are on everyone's hate list, and if all that you have been doing is shit talking other communities and all that, you're not going to end up like. I'm honestly very curious about what's their plan, honestly, because like, right. Of course they have a lot of members. They have like 400 and so people, but I have 400 members. Right. Ethereum has 400 members. Right. Axiom has what, 200, 300 members. There's a lot of other large guilds. Right. Do you think any of those guilds like them?
If they cut off one head, two more shall take its place. Hail Hydra.
Pick a side, nigga. Pick a side, nigga.